We are in Miami Springs, which is close to Miami International Airport. We're visiting a nice little house in a wonderful, cozy neighborhood where it's all about location. It's an upcoming nice neighborhood here, and here's a rare find which is on sale, which is 1800 square feet, and asking price is 500k. We have some really nice trees here, old windows, old air conditions, but as always it's all about location. Here's the garage, nice old door with patterns. The airport is a little bit too close. We almost can walk over there by feet. So let's see how the noise is. Wow. And we have a wooden floor, real wood. And lots of details. Well, let's check it out. Okay, here we have 2 rooms, 1 room. Here you can see all those old window types, glass types. I don't know why you have to air condition on if all the stuff, the cold goes out. But that's how it was in the old days. I guess the house is built in 1960. Here we have a little closet. Well, this is another room. The size is nice. It's probably 3 by 3, so it's German European is 10 square meters. Here you have a bathroom with a shower. Of course, everything is outdated. What can you expect? 50 years old. But those are the special details, you see. I almost want to keep them. I mean, I don't know if you can still buy it, but those are the rare finds, and some people still like it, but it should look like new, would be better. Well, here we have some access to the attic. I cannot open it, I don't reach it. So let's check the living space. Here we have the kitchen. Well, everything has to go. It really looks like everything is outdated. And here's the living room, entertainment room. It's a nice size. Nice size. Probably 6 by 3, I would say, 20 square meters. And here we have access to the garage. Oh, the heat. No isolation at all. The roof beams. Okay, this was for the washer and dryer probably. Here we have access to the garage. Well, that's a nice size. The roof beams still look pretty good intact, because normally you have all termite issues here at those old houses. But it still looks pretty stable here. You have to replace almost everything, make it nice and livable. Replace all the doors. But it's a nice size. So what do you think from the first views of this location here? Well, it has a nice design, nice big kitchen, going over to the living room. Here you have nice big windows, gives you a pretty look outside to your garden. And here's the second master bedroom. Pretty good size. Here's the walk-in closet and the bathroom with a shower. Well, the only thing, you don't know what is below this one here. If the roof is still in pretty shape or if it has to be replaced. So that's what you see when you're looking outside. It really looks like a nice size, nice. Yeah, I was ready with the filming, getting there. This was the Realtor. So now we walk outside here. Well, there you see, there's the airport. Well, you're getting a little bit noise here, but it's not that bad. If you live in Miami close by the airport, you have to be used to the noise all day. Miami International is one of the busiest airports in the US. It's the main hub to Southern America, to Europe, and to the mainland US. So you can expect a lot of traffic over the day. So yeah, I really like the views here. Look, all details. I mean, it's up to you if you keep this just for the shade in the summertime, or if you, when you replace the windows, you put some jalousies on it. Let's see if you have access with your car here. Oh yes, well, you probably can drive in with your car here and park your truck with a boat inside for safety reasons. So the yard's a pretty good size here, as you can see. That's not that bad. You have to think about the location here. It's a very desirable location, Miami Springs. Just a few houses on the north side. Houses start already in the million range. So, and this is, I don't know if I say this already. So asking price is $499K, which is in the middle. You know what you have to spend if you see the video, and all the outdated bathrooms and windows and air condition. There's no main air condition or central air condition, so you have to put this in. But look at this, you get some royal palm trees for free in your yard. Just alone this, makes it desirable. Well, not so much all your utility cables here, but you should have some mango trees, and yeah, that looks like a mango tree. So get a mango and get your avocado tree. That's all you need in Miami. Well, I really like it. Yeah, we need a little bit of TLC here. Oh, here was a little fire already. I don't know if this came from the utility lines here, or somebody did some crazy stuff. So here is your mango tree. No, is it mango? Yeah. Well, that's the view from the yard. Really nice location. You can watch planes taking off all day long if you're an aviation enthusiast. This is American Airlines. Here comes my guide. Well, I think we are ready with this one. Give me a thumbs up if you like this property. If you want to see more from Miami, let me know. Any special desires? If you have a special property you want to have filmed, let me know in the comments. What do you think? How much somebody has to spend for complete total renovation here? If you're a contractor, let me know. Thank you for watching.